Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to check your available credits on Fundbox. Are you not sure of how much credit you still have on your Fundbox line? Well, let's walk through how to quickly check your available credit so that you can plan your next move with confidence. First step, log into your Fundbox dashboard. Go to fundbox.com and enter your login credentials. Next step is to go to the credit line section. Now on your home page or dashboard menu, you're going to click on the credits or line of credits. Third step is to view your available credit. So now you're going to see two key numbers. The first is total credit line, which is your overall borrowing limits, and the second is the available credit, which is of course the amount that you can still draw right now. Fourth step is to review recent activities. Of course, this is optional, but you can just scroll down to see your recent draws, repayments, and remaining balance. This gives you a clearer picture of exactly what's left. The fifth step is to use the mobile app. Of course, this is also optional. If you're on the go, just open the Fundbox mobile app. Your available credit is going to be displayed right on the home screen. A couple of pro tips for you guys. The first, of course, is your available credit may increase automatically after you make successful repayments. The second is that Fundbox may also periodically review your account and adjust your limits based on your business performance. And that's it. You now know how to check your Fundbox available credits in seconds. Keep this number in mind before making any new draws. If you want more quick guides like this, hit like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.